morning, sir. Good morning, madam. My name is Mitu Akhtar. I am 25 years old. I am married. I have no children. I am Muslim. I study up to high school level. I have 2 years of working experience in Bangladesh, serving a family of 7 persons. In my ex-employer's house, I did all general household works and took care of one baby, 3 children, one elderly, disabled, and pest. In Hong Kong Training Center, I am learning all necessary household works like washing, cleaning, ironing, marketing, Chinese cooking, car washing, using all electrical appliances, taking care of baby, children, elderly, disabled, and pest. I am also learning English and Cantonese. Sing sang thai thai lê tê hồ o cô mình cứu mi tuật tạc o cam lin isap soi o sun uy cao thủ o hun sek tak tuyết tam hải o hui chui bê thai thai lê tê sek o sek chui chung cốc sum o chi chen yêu tầm cô chen cải cô thong thong mai khỉ ta sai chung học can ni cô hay soi bui ni cô hay sa bui Liku hai bengku, liku hai chang, liku hai tu, lice hai lice hai tip, lice hai chicken, lice hai cha. Litoi hai faichi. Sir, madam, I need to earn more money to support my family. Please hire me as your domestic helper. I promise I will be very hardworking, honest, and follow your instruction. I hope we can meet in Hong Kong. Thank you, sir. Thank you, madam. See you in Hong Kong. Bye bye.